Hey guys, it's your girl Callie, and today we're installing a unit by Elfin Hair. I know you guys missed me. I'm definitely gonna have some more videos for you, so stay tuned. So today we're going to be installing a 4x4 12-inch bob. Okay, so right now I'm just matching the bald cap to my skin tone, and I've definitely progressed with my bald cap method because it's already looking melted. Okay, so y'all already know, to get started with the install, we're going to apply our 3 layers of glue, and then we're going to let it dry. So that's the first thing we're going to do, and then I'm going to get back right with you. Since it's a 4x4 wig, I'm only going to put 3 layers of glue in the middle. Okay, and now that the glue is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So I already cut, bleached, and plucked the wig. So as you can see, it's a little bit body wavy, but it's actually a straight wig. It's just washed. Okay, and now I'm just combing the lace into the glue, and we're gonna let that set. And then on my hairline, you know, I gotta go in with my 𝐀𝐒𝐿𝐼𝐑𝐈𝐑𝐈𝐍𝐆 hot comb to get everything flat and sleek. So, you know, I can go ahead and prepare to cut the lace and flat iron it. Okay, and before I cut my lace, I'm just gonna use some freeze spray and put a wig band on just for any lace on the hairline that's sticking up or not all the way held down. Okay, and now it's time to take the wig band off, and everything is looking pretty secured. And then I'm going to go in with my wax stick so I can go ahead and shape up the part. I did a kind of side part that's curved around. This is actually my first time trying a 4x4 side part. I never did it before, but I seen it on YouTube, so I was like, I'm gonna try it, and it came out pretty good, so stay tuned for the end result. Okay, and I'm just getting my roots bone straight with the wax stick and the hot comb, and then we're gonna flat iron. I did flat iron off camera because I was running out of storage. The texture and volume on this wig was beautiful. I kind of wanted to leave the body wave, but I already planned to, you know, do it straight, so I just went ahead and did it straight. But as you can see, it looks good either way, and that's just from me washing it, and it's like the volume is amazing. So now I'm just cutting off the excess lace, and then we're gonna go ahead and comb out our edges and hot comb them. So now I'm just thinning out the edges with my tweezer for a more natural look, and then we're gonna go ahead and style it and flat iron. Okay, so are you guys ready for the end result? Because I know I am. And here we go. I flat ironed the hair and the volume is giving. Soft, laid, melted, everything all in one. The details to purchase this unit will be in the description. But anyways, I hope you guys liked today's video. I'm definitely loving this hair. It was really quick to install. I'm loving the grown look. It's very sleek, sexy, very easy to maintain. This hair is super soft. The shedding is very minimal, which I love. I feel like you shouldn't be combing your wig and a lot of hair come out. Like, it shouldn't be. It should be a couple strands and that's it. And that's what this wig is giving. So I'm definitely feeling this hair. Baby, it's the Bob for me. It's the Bob for me. I'm just playing. I thought I killed that, but I didn't. It's cool though. See you guys later. Back with another video. You already know it's a vibe on this side. Thank you for tuning in. And tune in for my next video. A bunch of styles coming this year. We're abundantly manifesting, praying, slaying.